Bear and bird learn to share. Bear and bird shivered as snowflakes fell. Brr, it's cold today. Snow had fallen on the distant hills. Winter was on its way. The animals searched for juicy fruit. It was time to hibernate, but Bear gathered every ripberry he could. There was no time to wait. Bird chased after the greedy bear and chirped, "Others need to eat," but Bear didn't want to listen to his advice and made a speedy retreat. Bird was upset with his best friend. "Bear, that's so unfair. All of our friends will go hungry if you're not prepared to share." Clutching all the delightful berries, Bear turned and ran for home. "I'm a hungry bear who needs lots of food. Please just leave me alone." The next day, Bear looked out at the forest. It was white and dusted with snow, but Bird was nowhere to be seen. Where on earth did he go? Bear was worried, so he left his cave and searched for Bird high and low. He scattered his tasty food, leaving a trail, and piled berries high in the snow. Bear was sad. Bird must be starving. He's flown away, but where? Looking up, he heard a high-pitched chirp. "Thank you for the food, kind bear." All of the animals were back at Bear's cave. They followed the trail of food. Bear felt very bad for taking it all. He now knew it was wrong and a little bit rude. His forest friends forgave him because he really seemed to care. As they played outside in the freezing snow, Bear agreed, "It is good to share."